Hello everyone, today I will discuss about humidity. After all, what is humidity? Let's understand humidity. Content of water vapor present in the air at a particular time and place is called humidity, and humidity is measured by an instrument called hygrometer. Hygrometer. Before discussing about humidity, first let's understand water vapor. What is water vapor and what are their sources? Water vapor, it is found in the gaseous form in the atmosphere, and nearly 50% of the total atmospheric water vapor concentrated in the lower atmosphere up to the height of 2 km. The amount of precipitation and the amount of loss of heat through radiation and stability and instability of air masses depend on the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Let's understand what are the sources of water vapor. Sources. There are two sources of water vapor: natural sources and man-made sources. In natural sources, there are two types: evaporation and evapotranspiration. Let's first understand what is evaporation. Transfer of liquid, or you can say water, into gaseous form is called evaporation, and evaporation occurs mainly by solar radiation from the oceans, seas, lakes and rivers. Here you can say water vapors occurs from the evaporation, and evaporation occurs mainly by solar radiation. Here is coming solar radiation into the oceans, and evaporation occurs, and water vapors contains in the atmosphere, in the lower atmosphere. After evaporation, let's understand evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration is the sum of evaporation from the land surface and transpiration from the plants, and evapotranspiration occurs mainly by solar radiation into soil and vegetation. Let's understand what is the man-made sources of water vapor. Man-made sources are reservoir, lake and irrigation, canal and forestation. And after that, let's understand what is the distribution of water vapor in the atmosphere. Mainly, water vapor distributed in atmosphere by vertical and horizontal. If we talk about the vertical distribution of water vapor in the atmosphere, the water vapor vertically, the water vapor decreases with increasing height, and if we talk about horizontal distribution of water vapor, then water vapor decreases with a horizontal distribution of water vapor. When we go from equator towards the pole, then water vapor decreases. Horizontally, water vapor decreases towards the poles. And after that distribution of water vapor, let's understand what is the importance of water vapor. Mainly, water vapor plays a significant role in condensation and rain, and increase and regulates the temperature of the atmosphere. And also, water vapor works as greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. And let's understand what is condensation. Transfer of vapor into liquid form is called condensation. Transfer of vapor into liquid form, or you can say water. Is called condensation. Hence, water vapor plays an important role in condensation and rain, and also works as greenhouse gas. And it is about water vapor. And after that, let's understand humidity. As I have already told you about humidity, that humidity is content of water vapor present in the air at particular time and place, and humidity capacity is directly proportional to temperature. Humidity capacity is directly proportional to temperature, and humidity is measured in gram per centimeter cube. Humidity measured in gram प्रति centimeter cube. Gram प्रति centimeter cube. And also humidity decreases towards pole. Humidity decreases towards pole. Because here you can see that humidity capacity is directly proportional to temperature, and when you go towards the pole, then temperature decreases. When temperature decreases, then humidity capacity is also decreases, and humidity decreases towards pole. It is about humidity, and there are three types of humidity: relative humidity, specific humidity, and also relative humidity and specific humidity, and also third is absolute humidity. Here is three types of humidity: relative humidity, specific humidity, and absolute humidity. And we discuss about these types in the next class briefly.